I'll be there in a minute. I just need to finish curling my eyelashes. Every single one of my eyelashes just fell off. Hello everyone, I hope you appreciated those fire acting skills. Today I'm going to show you how to make an eyelash serum with 3 simple ingredients that will help promote eyelash growth. Now I'm hoping to make this a quicker video, so make sure to check the description for links to any sources and materials that I've used, and also some more detailed descriptions about the materials that I'm using. Lastly, make sure you stick around till the end because I'm going to show you some before and after photos of me using this eyelash serum for 30 days. Let's get started. All right, like I mentioned earlier, you will need 3 ingredients, and once I mix up the serum, I will be putting it into this container that I got from Amazon, and I'll make sure to link this down below. This package also came with a lip gloss tube, which I won't be using in this video, but also a mascara or brow gel tube, which you could make a serum using the same formula for your eyebrows, and there are also some funnels and some other stuff that came in this package. Now for the ingredients, the most important ingredient is castor oil. Here I'm going to be using Jamaican black castor oil, but you can use regular castor oil. I believe they're just processed different ways, but I think they have pretty similar benefits. I might put some more information about that in the description. You'll also need some virgin coconut oil or unrefined coconut oil. You may use refined, but virgin or unrefined coconut oil does have more nutrients in it, and I specifically got cold pressed. There's cold pressed and expeller pressed. I got cold pressed. I'm sure both would be very similar. Last ingredient is vitamin E. I got this one from Hobby Lobby, and there's not really many specifications for this one. It comes in tubes like this. You can also get it in capsules, but these are the ingredients you need, and all of these ingredients were actually used in my hair growth video. I made a hair growth formula to use on your head, and I will make sure to link that in the eye. I'm not sure what side of the screen that will be on, but you can also watch that video. All right, let's get started with the recipe. Now keep in mind, this container is 10 milliliters, so my measurements will be able to fill up this container, but I'll also give more general measurements in terms of parts, so you can make a serum that will fit any size container. Let's get started and say hello to VoiceOver Paige.
Our first ingredient is castor oil, and you will need 1.5 teaspoons or 6 parts castor oil. Castor oil is not proven to cause eyelash growth. However, one of the main compounds in castor oil is ricinoleic acid, which has been found to help prevent hair loss. Castor oil is extremely nourishing, and it helps prevent breakage and has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Our next ingredient is coconut oil, and you will need 1/2 teaspoon or 2 parts of coconut oil. I did microwave the coconut oil and the castor oil together to make sure everything was mixed thoroughly. Coconut oil is also very nourishing. It protects and strengthens lashes, which may lead to less fallout and fuller lashes. Coconut oil also has those antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Our last ingredient is vitamin E oil, and you will need 1/4 teaspoon or 1 part of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is, again, you guessed it, a very nourishing oil. It helps prevent breakage and may promote hair growth. It also is an antioxidant, which may help prevent hair loss.
Okay, with the recipe I just finished, I mixed it all together and I put it into my container with this little funnel that came with it. Now there's a little bit extra that I wasn't able to get into the container, and it's really important to do a patch test before you try any homemade product or any store-bought product on your skin. So I would recommend taking just a little bit on your finger and putting it on the inside part of your wrist and just leaving this for the day, and make sure you don't feel any sensitivity towards it. And if you feel that, I'm making this early in the morning, early in the afternoon, and I'm gonna wait till nighttime and make sure I don't have any sensitivities towards it. However, I have used these products before in my hair and I haven't felt anything, but this is near our eyes, so we wanna make sure we do that. Okay, so this is what we are left with, and I will show you how I like to apply it, and I'm going to give you some tips with that. And then after that, I'm going to show you a before. So tonight when I apply it, I'm going to show you what my eyelashes look like, and then in 30 days, so after a month of using the serum, I will show you what my eyelashes look like then, and we'll see if there's any difference together. However, I know this is a good serum because I have used these ingredients in my hair before and it was really helpful. Okay, hey everyone, it is late at night, so I am talking quiet. Sorry if that messes with the sound quality, but I have the serum, and if you don't have this type of container, feel free to just use a Q-tip and whatever container you can put it in. The way I'm going to apply it is I'm using the viewfinder as a mirror, but I'm just going to apply it right over my lash line. And that's it. And then I will just get a little bit more for the other side. And again, I did a patch test earlier and I didn't find that I had any sensitivity to it. I'm only going to be doing this on the top of my lash line, so not the bottom. But again, I'm going to let you guys know how it goes in about 30 days. Alright, hello everyone. So today is June 22nd and I filmed the first part of the video on May 17th. So it has been just over a month of using this eyelash growth serum. I did accidentally miss 2 days, so it has been closer to a month, but I'm so excited to share all the results with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna pop some pictures on the screen, but the top one is without mascara, eyelashes curled, and that is before using the eyelash serum. And then the bottom picture is, again, no mascara, eyelashes curled, and that is after using the growth serum. And I really hope you guys can see the results. I for sure can. And now I'm gonna add on, when I am wearing, 1 coat of mascara, the before and after. So I'll let those stay up so you guys can look at them. But some things I noticed is I felt like my eyelashes have gotten so much stronger, and I've also noticed them holding a curl on their own without me having to curl them. And I think that just speaks to the strengthening aspects of the ingredients that I put in the eyelash serum. So it worked and I'm so happy with the results. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you try it out, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. It would mean a lot to me if you guys would subscribe, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you don't like this video, feel free to like it anyway. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!